In this video, I am explaining how to select all blank cells in a sheet at once. Need to find and select all the blank cells in your Excel table. Quickly? Here's how to do it in seconds. First, select the entire table or the column or row where you want to check for blanks. Now press Ctrl with G key on your keyboard. This opens the Go To window. Click the special button at the bottom. Then choose Blanks and click OK. Boom! Excel instantly highlights all the blank cells in your selected area. You can now enter a value, format them, or delete them all at once. Another method? Use the Find and Select tool on the Home tab, then choose Go to Special and select Blanks. Both methods work the same: fast, easy, powerful. If this tip saved you time, hit like, subscribe to How to Do Excel Secrets, and ring the bell for more Excel tricks.